Kikuyu Fraternity has today woken up to very sad and heavy news. Ndeto cia matiga makihotwo ni maithori na makiumiriria Ûmwe wao uria urikite gukora kiumbura ndeto cia Kîeha na cia ruo muno. Na oho a quick update about yesterday's news kuria Akenya marakorirwo makionania gitangiko na kigiriko na ona nginya kurakario kwao ni kanju ya Nairobi kuria marakorirwo makinyanira kamwanake kamwe na njira ya kumwitira njugu ciako. Now the matter seems to have been solved kana taken a better direction thutha wa Governor Sakaja gukorwo akingirira and even personally meeting with the young man na gukorwo akiumbura ati ni akorwo nginya akiaraniria na embassy na government ya Burundi na gutigirira ati kamwana gaka ni gagukorwo gagitangikiro o wega tondu the young man is said to be from Burundi na ona nginya thutha wa Karen Nyamu gukorwo onake akionania kurakario kwao muno ni kanjo ya Nairobi nginya akiuga the kanjos behind this act makorwo magifutwo wira immediately na Akenya onao makimu back up. Now the matter seems to have been solved na Akenya makigwa mahorerete muno na gukenio muno ni giko kia Governor Sakaja hari kuingirira na gutetera kamwanake gaka. Na riu ndeto ya Kîeha na ya ruo muno yatiga aini mahotetwo ni maithori na makiumiriria Julius wa Kigosho ihinda-ini riri iritu na family yake after the sad news that he has shared earlier today. Julius wa Kigosho agicakaya na ruo runene muno gutigwo ni his brother has sadly passed away. Na Julius wa Kigosho aikiuga ma korwo Ngai ni oragio kiuria ni angioria tondu haha mani haritu. He has shared a very heartbreaking and painful message on his social media page na gutiga aini onao mahotetwo muno na makimumiriria na njira nene muno agikiuga words can never be enough. I wish God would be questioned but I choose to just try to believe. Rest well big brother. Agicakaya na ruo runene muno oho agikiuga ma no haria Ngai atangiurio kiuria but this one has really taken a toll on him. It has really broken him. Na mafans ake na fellow Kikuyu celebrities na arata ake ni makorwo makimumiriria na njira nene muno na family yake makimwendigĩria thayu and God's comfort and strength during this very painful and difficult time. Sir James Ewabera akiuga pole sana, may God strengthen your souls. Josephat Macharia kwa Ibrahimu akiuga may the good Lord grant you peace. Receive my heartfelt condolences. Ona Pius Pianist murakta wake wa muno akiuga poleni sana, may his soul rest in peace. MC Jimmy Kajim, oh no, pole sana bro, my heartfelt condolences to you and the entire family. May God give you peace that surpasses all understanding. Na ona ibi we send out our most deepest and heartfelt condolences kuri Julius wa Kigosho na family yake. May his brother rest in eternal peace. May God give them strength, God give them comfort. Na Ngai arokorwo akumagiria maithori ihinda-ini riri iritu. Poleni sana Julius wa Kigosho. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.